So today in this video, we are going to see about the loop statements. So in programming, sometimes we need to execute the block of code repeatedly, while some condition is supposed to be true. What it will do is it will just execute a set of instructions in a repeated order to satisfy a particular condition. Okay. So here we have three types. First one is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop is nothing but it will just initialize a loop variable and it will just check the condition. So based on the condition, it will just increment or decrement the variable, and until the condition is becoming true, it will be evaluated. So now let's open the notepad and just write a program for this for loop and see how it works. So what is the first thing we have to do? We have to assign the public class. So I'm just giving the name as calculation. So what is the next step we have to do? We have to assign the public static void. So string args. So first thing is I am assigning int sum is equivalent to 0. So initially I'm just setting this. Now we are entering the for loop. So for I'm assigning the integer j is equivalent to 1. So if j is less than or equivalent to 10 until this condition, the j will be incremented. So this is the basic condition that we are giving. So what it will do, it will just increment the sum plus j. Okay, clear? So if this condition is satisfied, until that the same for loop will be executed, and finally the system output is supposed to be system.out.println. So I'm just giving as, here we have used up to 10, right? So I'm just giving the sum of first 10 natural numbers is. So this is the output that I'm supposed to get. Okay. So what it's supposed to print? Sum. Fine. Now let us close all the loops and save the program. So once we have saved the program, what we are supposed to do? We have to open the command prompt and compile and run it. So what is the first thing we have to do? We have to move to the workspace. So I'm just moving to my workspace. So what is the code for compiling the program is javac calculation dot java. If there is no error, it will just move to the place. So what is the first run? Calculation. So it will just execute. So the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So what it will do is, let me open the note program and show you how it is executed. First, the initial j value will be set to 1. So it will be 1. After that, it will be incremented and that will be added. So 1 plus 2, then again 1 plus 2 plus 3. So all these numbers will be added so that the sum will be 55. Hope this is clear for the for loop function. In next video, we'll see the other remaining parts. Thank you. Have a nice day.